What's up, it's Joe with OCDetailing, and today I just had this car dropped off for Supercar Saturday. This car came in, and a Lambo came in. Kind of an interesting crowd when I'm used to so many Teslas, but this McLaren 570s, really cool car, super fast. But unfortunately, like when the customer bought it, he wasn't super informed on the way paint protection film installed should be, so he had a lot of film done to this car, which is always a plus. But the install, it's not that great. So after having the car for a couple years and putting 29,000 miles on this thing, so this guy drives this car a lot, he came by and said, hey, I'm really sick of looking at this install, it's really bothering me, what can you guys do? And just at the glance I was like, we can make this infinitely better. But then we really started talking and looking over the car, and there's like swirl marks on all the paint and like scratches, and there's some sanding marks on some of the carbon fiber on the back. The film is not wrapped in almost anywhere. A lot of places there's seams that don't make sense to us. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through this thing and we're going to undo this 29,000 miles of use. Basically we're going to pull all the film off this car. We're going to do a full paint correction on this thing. We're going to do a wheels off detail. We're going to refilm a lot of the areas on the car. After that we'll do CQuartz Finest Reserve on everything. The paint, the wheels, the calipers, the glass, the trim. We're going to make this thing look better than new, and we're going to go for a truly seamless install on this because what's on here right now is pretty bad, so we want to blow this guy's mind when he picks his car up. We finished the McLaren, and now that it's done, I want to show you some of the differences of the install that was there versus the install that we did. So before, there was big gaps around every panel on this car, as you saw earlier in the video, and there were some relief cuts here and there that were really just in bad places. And then there was a lot of blade marks on the paint, and the paint actually looked pretty bad from just wash swirls in use because, like I said, this is a daily driver. He uses every day. So taking a look at it now, we have it all done. The car's been corrected, the car's been coated, everything has been refilmed on this car, and it's looking amazing. Let me just take you and show you some of the close-ups of our film work versus what was there. Can you tell it's wrapped? You can see that we went all out on tucking and wrapping everything on this car just to make it as seamless as we could. And before, there was like a hard line that went all the way across here. Now you can see that you can't see the film.